Hey, what's going on? You're going to love this video. Unbelievable. At the end, I do say unbelievable. Hey, when you hire somebody to put stuff in your house, you better make sure they know what they're doing. Check them out. I have videos. I posted a few videos this week on how to find a contractor. Hey, Clevelandmarko is my channel. Just go in the search thing and put down how to find a contractor, and I'm sure you'll find a video on it. Take some notes so this doesn't happen to you. So this is a video. It's kind of funny. This was not staged. This is real. I am an expert witness. I do a lot of cases. This happened to be one of my cases, I don't know, maybe 10 years ago, where a contractor went in his house and did a lot of really funny stuff to the point where I was actually going to be entertained by it. So you're going to like this. So let's go. Let's do this, man. Oh, let me start at the beginning. And there it goes.
What's wrong with this fan? What happens when this fan turns on?
It blows into the upstairs into my daughter's bedroom.
And how do you know that?
Because I heard it, and then I moved her bed a little bit, and I could feel the breeze blowing up on the side.
From this fan in the kitchen?
Yes.
So if you cook like steak in here, you can smell the steak in the bedroom?
Yes.
All right.
There it is. Hey.
Okay, can you tell me what I'm looking at right here?
This is the air blowing from the exhaust fan in the kitchen into my daughter's bedroom.
Through the outlet?
Through the outlet.
Are you sure? Do me a favor. Go down and turn off the fan, count to 5, and turn it back up.
Okay.
Let's make sure this isn't like
This
some
is
type of cross connection with your supply duct.
this is the exhaust fan in the kitchen. They turn it on and it comes out the outlet. The air. Wait.
It's turned off. Count to 5. All right. Turn exhaust fan back on. Unbelievable.
Unbelievable. Okay, so unbelievable. So listen, not only is this a fire hazard, it's not like you want to hook up your fan so your kids can smell the steak. You don't want to smell the food in the house. It's supposed to go out. Now, most fans, I hate to say it, don't go out. They go through a filter and right back into the kitchen. That's how they do it here in America. In Europe, they're all connected to the outside. That was the whole idea of it. In kitchens, they're connected to the outside. Only problem is when you connect it to the outside, you better know how many CFM you're pulling out, because now you can cause a fire. I've seen people put these huge $5,000 exhaust fans in their $50,000 kitchens and crank them up, and then have a bunch of clothes next to the water heater, and somebody took a shower. Guess what happens? They took a shower, the water heater kicked on, the flame came out behind the flame guard, and start the clothes on fire. Yeah, because you need oxygen. So if you got high fans, like whole house fans, exhaust fans, you better know the CFM you're pulling. Oh, right. You got open windows because you just can't suck air out of a house. It doesn't work that way. You know, then you radon, moisture, condensation, rotting wood, rotting windows, ice dams, heat loss, big bucks. All that goes down if your fan is sucking your house and you don't have any way of making up the air. Hey, if you have any house problems, just Google call Marko, M-E-R-K-O, with a question. 15, 20 minutes will solve your house problem. I've been doing this for 40 years. I'm an engineer, written publications, environmental, or anything. If you can't solve it, I'll do it. Or at least I'll help you out how to handle it. Also down below, I have some links. Check them out. A lot of times I have, products that are associated with what I'm doing here. If not, link on them anyways. If you need to buy something, just go there and punch in what you need. At least I'll get 1%. It helps me pay for my cameras and my traveling and that kind of stuff. Also, please rate, subscribe, and hit the bell for future videos. So call Mark with a question. Please rate, subscribe, hit the bell. And you know what? If you want more videos, just go to my Clevelandmarko on YouTube and search. I have like 1,000 videos, and I might have a video. Now, some of my older videos aren't that good. I don't spend a lot of time on my videos because YouTube just doesn't reward us enough for this. Matter of fact, sometimes they take them down. So I'm not going to spend all this time to make pretty videos when I could do them pretty quick and get my message across. It's all about the message. It's all about the message. That's all that matters. If you want primetime TV, go to Netflix. Hey, thanks for coming on. Call Marko with a question if you have one and you can't solve.